Jaguar's Pivi Pro infotainment system, introduced in 2019 models like the I-Pace and F-Pace, handles navigation, entertainment, and connectivity. Updates are essential for security, features, and performance. The primary update method is over-the-air, or OTA, which delivers firmware, apps, and security patches wirelessly through cellular or Wi-Fi connections. OTA updates use TLS 1.3 encryption for security, ensuring data privacy during transmission. Jaguar pushes these updates for warranty compliance. USB updates serve as a manual alternative, useful for older models or offline situations. Download files from Jaguar's website, transfer to a USB drive, and apply in the vehicle. Map updates for accurate navigation come via OTA or USB, sourced from HERE Technologies. They include real-time traffic and new roads. Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto are standard on 2023 Plus models, enabling seamless smartphone integration without cables. Regular updates ensure optimal performance, enhanced security, and access to the latest features like improved voice assistance and navigation. For OTA updates, ensure your Jaguar is connected to Wi-Fi or has cellular data. You'll receive notifications on the infotainment screen or via the Jaguar app. Downloads occur in the background. For USB updates, download the necessary files from Jaguar's website onto a FAT32 formatted USB drive. With your car in ignition mode, plug in the USB. The update process takes 30 to 60 minutes. Map updates follow similar OTA or USB processes, often subscription-based. For CarPlay or Android Auto, ensure your device meets the minimum iOS or Android version requirements and maintain a stable Bluetooth or Wi-Fi connection. Always back up your data before any update, as settings may reset. JLR emphasizes that safety is key, so updates don't occur during driving.